Hello po, good day. Sir Mita po, na-post this week po itong ating bundle for 299 na t-shirt with 11 ounce white mug for Father's Day promo. Meron na po siyang 3 engagement. And then yung ating Father's Day t-shirt na 199 na lang po with Father's Day design print. Meron na po siyang 5 na sold. And then yung ating done orders ng team building ni Billy's Up na meron na pong 4 engagement. And then yung DTF meter natin na 200 only with 5 engagement. And then yung ating travel mug na 299 na lang for Father's Day with 2 engagement. And then i-repost po natin yung small business na nagpapagawa ng uniform sa atin po. Meron na po siyang 10 engagement. And then yung ating ROM posting ng all-in-one giveaway kit ng 11 ounce white mug, regular canvas bag, umbrella, and stainless tumbler po. Meron na po siyang 5 engagement and effective naman since may mga nag-avail po. And then yung ROM posting po natin ng leather journal, meron na po siyang 3 engagement. And then yung done orders po natin ng regular canvas bag with subli print with 2 engagement. And then yung ating Pride Month na posting po. And then yung computerized embroidery with the same day sampling with 3 engagement po. ROM posting ng design post win. Bali yun lang po yung na-post natin this week po. Yun lang po, thank you.